Hello everyone, I am Shruti Dikshit, the Office Department from SIT College Bhopal. Today we are going to discuss the expand on one of the important application of operational amplifier, which is differentiator circuit. We are going to draw this differentiator circuit in the multisim software, and we will see the simulation part of the differentiator circuit. This is the differentiator circuit where we are using operational amplifier IC, which is 741, different resistors, capacitors, okay, VE, VCC supply, positive supply and negative supply, and two measuring instruments, which is CRO and function generator. First of all, in the feedback circuit, the resistor and capacitor having 15 kilo ohms and capacitor having 1 nanofarad is connected in parallel, and we are giving this parallel connection of resistor and capacitor to the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. Hence we are calling this differentiator as inverting amplifier, and the non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground terminal. We are giving the input, which is square wave, to this inverting terminal through this resistor R3 and resistor C2. We are using CRO for displaying the output, for seeing the input waveform as well as output waveform. First of all, this is the circuit window. First we will go to file, new document we will create. First, if I want this op amp IC, then I will go to this analog. This is the op amp 74 IC is available. Okay, I am just putting here. Then if I want to change the terminals, okay, I will go to flip vertically. Then now upper side is inverting terminal and lower side is non-inverting terminal. If I want resistor and capacitor, I will go to this sources, then basic, resistor, capacitor. Okay, in this way we are placing the different components. If you will go to sources, then ground is available, then VE supply is available, VCC supply is available. So we are just placing all these components in the circuit window. If I want to change the rating of this particular resistance, then I will double click this and changing the value of this resistance. Okay, if I want to connect, if I want to change the location of this, then I have just placing in this way. If I want to connect this terminal here, I have to just click on this. We can change the color of this connecting wire also. Okay, in this way, first we have to place all the components which we are required. Then we can change the values of these components, we can change the rotation of these components, and we have to just connect as per our circuit diagram. So this circuit I have made already. Okay, this is the op amp IC, which is 741 IC. I have connected VE to the inverting terminal of this operational amplifier, and VCC, which is of 12 volt, to the non-inverting terminal of op amp. The non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground terminal. Then capacitors and resistors C1 and R1 is connected in parallel, and which is connected in the feedback circuit of the operational amplifier, and input is given through this function generator to the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. If I want to simulate this circuit, so I have to just go to this click this run button. Okay, then if I want to see the frequency, duty cycle, amplitude, we can change these values according to this display. Okay, uh, this is the CRO. See here what is happening. If we are if we want to see both input and output, here we are giving the input. Okay, in the there are three signals are displaying. This is the sinusoidal waveform, then this triangular waveform, and the square waveform. We are seeing this circuit particularly for the square waveform. See here, this square waveform having frequency 1 kilohertz. Okay, we can change the value as per our requirement. Duty cycle we can change, amplitude we can change. In this particular example, we have taken the frequency 1 kilohertz, duty cycle 50%, and amplitude 1 volt peak to peak. Okay, and here there are two channels we are using, A channel and B channel. If we will see, this A channel is giving to this input terminal, and B channel is connected to the output of this operational amplifier. In this way, this square waveform is converted into the spike signal. This is the main use of the differentiated circuit, for changing the one particular waveform into the another waveform. Okay, here the time based signal 1 millisecond division, we can change this time division from here. In this way we can change. This is the channel A. We can change the position of this channel A. We can change the position of this channel B. So in this way we have drawn the circuit of this differentiated circuit in multisim software in circuit window, and we have seen the simulation part of this differentiator circuit. Okay, thank you.